Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to apply materials on a specific parts of a wall. So suppose this is my project here and I want to apply different materials for this toilet area and different material for this drawing and living area and similarly for kitchen area. So if I am selecting this wall, whole of the wall is getting selected, and that means it will take only one material at a time, but I need different materials for different walls in the kitchen area and this living area or stairs area and this toilet area. So I will select this wall first and then I will go to modify walls and I will select this tool split face, and shortcut command is SF. You can type SF on your keyboard. Also you can go to this tool by going to architecture, modify, and then you can select this split face. So I am going to select this split face and I will not save this. I will select this tool and now you can see this split face symbol attached with our mouse. And now I am going to select this wall. It will bring near any wall surface, it will select the wall surface. So I am going to select this wall surface. If you will bring to this wall surface, it will select this wall and this wall. So I am going to select this wall first here. I will click once. And now you can see the wall is ready to get divided. So I am going to first separate this kitchen area from this wall. So I will take this line here, draw line, and I will take line command here, and after this you are required to draw a line using this corner and till this corner. So make sure this yellow line is selected, yellowish colored line is selected, and you should not cross this line, or you should not take this line below. So you are required to touch the line surface here, and you can see it is intersecting. So now I am going to finish edit mode, and now you can see this area will be separated from other parts of the wall. So if you will select this wall, you can see this wall is surface is divided. You can check by creating any material here. So I am going to create a material by going to manage tab here, and I am going to materials here, and that will open our material browser, and I am going to create a new material here, and we'll right click and rename this as a kitchen wall. And now I will open asset browser here, and you can reduce the size here, and I am going to appearance library, and I will take any wall paint here, and now I will show any color here. So I will select this light red here, and now I am going to replace the current asset in the editor with this asset. I will click this, and now material will be applied to our kitchen wall here. You can see it's getting updated. After this, apply, OK. And now after creating the material, you are required to use pen tool. So if you will go to your manage tab here, you can see this pen tool. You can write shortcut command, or you are required to go to modify here, and you can see this pen tool. You can select this, or either you can type PT on your keyboard. So now we will be seeing our material here. We have to search our material, or we can simply type here kitchen wall. So our material is here. We will select this and we are now selecting our material, and we'll search our kitchen material, kitchen wall material, and now you can see paint symbol here, and I am going to click once here, and you can see this wall material is different from this wall material. So using split face, we can apply different materials on a different parts of the wall. But suppose if you are making any designs here and you need materials, so how will you do? So it is simple. I am going to again my modify, and I will select this split face. I will select this wall, and I am going to create any pentagonal shape here. Suppose this is your design here, and I am going to take this size here, and after this I will finish edit mode. And now you can create another material by going to manage materials, and now again I will create new material here, and then I will rename this as a stairs wall design. Sorry, I will go to materials, and I will create new materials, and I will right click and rename this as stair wall design, and we'll select this stair wall design. Then you can open asset browser, and you can go to appearance library here, and you can select materials for your. So I am going to use wood for my design, so I will use bamboo dark semi gloss, and I will apply this material here, and you can see it's getting updated, and this is stair wall design. I will apply OK, and then we can simply type PT on our keyboard, or you can go to modify and select the pen tool, and we'll look for our stair wall material. So you can see a stair wall design here. We'll select this, and you can see I'm going to apply it here, and you can see this material is applied here. So likewise, again you can create any other design by going to architecture and modify, and you can select this split face, select this wall, and you can select any other design. So you have to repeat one by one, so you cannot do simultaneously. So you can again create any shape here, and you can use pen tool. So I am going to type PT, and you can apply any other material also on this wall like this. So this is the method in which we can apply materials on a specific parts of the wall using split face tool here. So this was the tutorial for the today's session. In the next session, I will come with some more interesting topics in Revit. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.